Hello. In this module, we're going to be looking at effective academic writing. So I'm going to ask you to write about your experiences with writing in a shared Google Doc. So everybody will be participating in the same Google Doc. You can read and respond to each other's answers as well. We'll be writing about what types of experience you've had with writing, recent and past. And then the next Google Doc is your answer to the question, what is good writing? And there's more specific information in that assignment. So we'll start there with you writing two shared Google Docs, participating in two shared Google Docs, one about your experience with writing and one about your views of good writing. Then you're going to read these three documents. This is just a one-page graphic of effective academic writing. This is a longer document, not terribly long. This I don't remember, is maybe 12 pages. I don't exactly remember. And then this is just one page as well. So you'll write these, you'll read these. Now, this is a series of three excerpts from documents about global warming, and they have much different tones and much different audiences. So after you've read these two documents and written these, then read this about this global warming document about tone and audience, and then you'll respond to that in a direct, rather than uploading a file, you'll just type it directly here into Canvas, responding to what you've read here based on what you learned there. So that's what we'll be focusing on in this unit. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me, stodd@jeffco.edu.